This is my bike check. We've got photo drop bars, 29 wide, 9 inches high. Odyssey long neck grips, best grips ever, I think. BSD race stem, top load, pretty good stem, had it quite long. Colt Sec V2 forks, they're black. Got a G Sport Mile set hub, big little Odyssey spokes, Odyssey hazard light rim, fire engine red. Got the Chase Hawk tyres, quite big ones. Got some bearings, I don't know what they are, don't really fit properly. BSD was our frame, 20.7 I think, quite short. BSD ski seat, nice and fat, my fat bum. We the People seat post in sprays, which is paint. Looks not bad. Some Rusty Shadow cranks, got no idea what they are. Salt pedals. I've got some aluminium pegs. Oh, 3 of them from Street. This side got 25-2 BSD sprocket. Got the name of it. Trigger sprocket. Some KMC half link, some standard half link. G Sport ratchet. Fire engine red. Same back wheel as the front basically, and the G Sport guard at the same time. That's my bike.
You got the money.